When night falls in Kyoto Nijō Castle starts to feel completely different. It's still the same place, but somehow it feels lighter, almost a little magical. The castle walls glow softly under the night sky, and instead of feeling grand and formal, everything feels calm and kind of dreamlike. Tonight we're exploring Nijō Castle in a way that's a bit more playful, and honestly, a lot more immersive than the daytime. Tickets are 2,500 yen at the gate, or 2,000 yen if you book online, so it's definitely worth planning ahead. As we walk up to the Karamon Gate, the experience starts right away. The details on the gate come alive with projection mapping, and suddenly it's not just a historic entrance anymore. Cherry blossoms begin to bloom across the carvings, and a dragon, the Sakura guardian, slowly appears. It's such a cool mix of tradition and fantasy, and it really sets the tone for the night. We enter the cherry tree garden. This area feels super immersive, with the sound of thunder rolling through, lights moving across the space, and smoke gently swirling all around us. And what's fun is that the lights actually react as you move, so it feels like you're part of the experience, not just watching it. We continue into the Plum garden, with the inner moat on our right and the Honmaru area just beyond. The path here is lined with illuminated Sakura trees, and it's honestly just a really nice walk. Quiet, scenic, and easy to take your time. Crossing the bridge and passing these old stone foundations, we arrive at the Honmaru. In front of us is the Honmaru Palace, and tonight there's a special projection themed around Snow White. It's a bit unexpected, but actually works really well, blending familiar fantasy with this historic setting. It kind of feels like stepping into a storybook. We continue through the Honmaru and exit across the eastern bridge. Along the inner moat, the cherry blossom lights reflect beautifully on the water. There's also a section featuring artwork created by children in Kyoto, sharing a message of peace, which adds a really thoughtful and meaningful touch to the experience. And just beyond that, the projection mapping turns the moat into this flowing scene of glowing sakura. Next, we enter Seiryu-en Garden, a mix of Western and Japanese design. It feels a bit more open and relaxed here. At the center is the Konte Pavilion, lit up in soft pink tones, with its reflection shimmering across the pond. It's quiet, peaceful, and probably one of the most calming spots of the night. As we continue, we reach the main Cherry Blossom Avenue. The trees are lit up against the night sky, with music playing softly in the background. It's simple, but really beautiful, and a nice way to slow down before the end. We've visited Nijō Castle before, but seeing it like this feels completely different. It's more immersive, more relaxed, and honestly, just a really enjoyable way to experience Kyoto at night. If you're here during this season, I definitely recommend checking it out. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like, comment, share, and subscribe. Don't forget to tap the notification bell so you won't miss our next adventure. Stay curious, stay inspired, and we'll see you in the next one.